Hello YouTube! Welcome back to the Voice One Arts channel. It's been a long time. Last time I checked, like 6 years since we started this channel. Terrible graffiti canvas videos and whatnot that are still getting some awesome views and whatever. I don't know how. Anyway, I know a lot of you that still have kept up with us over the last couple years. You know, I only post every few months, if that, but you guys have still shown a lot of love, and I figured let's get back into it. And I really want to share the process and the learning process that I'm going through now, doing so much video, trying to take photo to the next level. Why not start now? Let's just get it going. On that note, I just got a package I've been waiting for. It's kind of what this whole video is really going to be about. I figure new gifts, a new toy would be a great way to kick off a new vlog series. So let me go grab that real quick. Oh yeah, okay. Here it is. I'm super excited for this. Probably already saw the title before you click the video, so you know what I'm about to pull out, but this is very exciting. Check it out, one sec. Alright. Rocket Air, super important. Keep your stuff clean. Don't be wiping with your shirt, and we'll look at that a little later. But just a step-up ring for some filters I still need. But oh yes, this is what I'm talking about right here. Oh, I'm excited to open this. Let's get a little more space over by the couch. So, first things first, Rocket Air. Not much to explain. It blows air. Excellent for keeping your equipment clean, getting dust off your lens, keeping dust and artifacts out of the inside of your camera, off your sensor. Basically, you don't want to be using your breath to try and clean any of your camera gear. And I've had a few sort of air toys like this in the past that just didn't give me the kind of air pressure I need to really get the job done. And Rocket Air is made out of a tough material. It gives you that extra oomph that gets everything off your lens. So definitely suggest getting a Rocket Air. They've got a few different sizes. This is the medium, so it's a little bit big, but it's exactly what I wanted, so I'm excited about it. Definitely going to help keep that quality up, keep things clean in the way that I want it for shooting, and that's that. The second thing that I got is just a Sensei Pro step-up ring. This is the 58 to 77 millimeter, and the reason I got the step-up ring was so that I could get 1 to 2 new filters for my larger lenses, and then just use those same large filters over my smaller lenses instead of having to buy a bunch of filters for all of my lenses. So that should come in super handy. Just wanted to show you guys what else was in the box. Now it's time to open this box. Yes. So I just got the soft box instead of the extra cost for the hard box, but I'll probably get the hard box soon anyway. This will definitely do for now. It's tough. It looks and feels like foam, but it's definitely a tough case. You've got your easy locking, unlocking key here to open up, and here we have it. First, the charging cube. That'll come in handy. Second thing is the plate, the mounting plate for the camera. And we have this carrying case for all your charging cables, your screws, your tools, your riser plates, your lens mount, all those goodies stay nice in here. Next, you've got the extended handle, which also doubles as the stand, which is super awesome. You can pick it up, just close it all together, you've got your handle. Gotta put it back down, spread them out real quick and you're good to go. Which leads us to the grip. Now this is an awesome grip. It's also the battery. You can press that button right there, tell you how much battery you have, and it's supposed to last 12 hours, which is amazing. You can go shoot for pretty much a weekend as far as I'm concerned. Not really have to worry about recharging this. I will put that to the test soon. You've got your mounting threads here, and let's go ahead and get this set up. And then the last piece, the motors. So you've got your joystick over here, your focus knob, power button. Let's go ahead and get this hooked up over here. So super easy. All you do is slide it in, clicks in place, and then lock the switch right here on the side. The way it naturally comes out of the case is with this motor here on the left side when you have the back motor closest to you. And before you start mounting or trying to balance anything, you definitely want to make sure that this is rotated over so that this motor is on the right when you start mounting. Let's go get some footage. So I hope you enjoyed that little bit of footage. We definitely did not take very long to really test out too much of all the features that are on this amazing piece of equipment. There are a lot of features, which is fantastic because it gives you so much control over all the kind of effects and things that you can do with it. The downside of having so much control is being such a newbie and having it be so fresh to me and someone who's never played with it, is that I feel like I have even less control because there's so much to figure out and explore. However, the basic settings when you first get started are just that, they're basic. So you can really just jump right into using it, and I definitely feel like there's going to be a second follow-up video to this, just showcasing the Ronin a bit more and showing some of the cool, more advanced techniques that it's used for. Right off the bat, I'd just like to mention that it really helps to keep this on, first of all, but secondly, there are 3 settings here, and if you go to the 3rd setting, you can do a really cool effect that is becoming pretty popular now. That's the Infinite 360, and what you're gonna have to do is, and unfortunately I can't demonstrate because I have to film with my camera, so I can't put my camera on here. But if you hold it perfectly horizontal like this, and you hit the mode button to get it over to the 3rd setting, then when you move this joystick over, you will get an infinite 360 where your camera just keeps twisting around facing forward. We'll definitely have to experiment with that on the next video. that we cover the Ronin-S with. I'd like to give a shout out to CRD. We had our model come out and show off some Claude Grosso Designs clothing. You might have seen the hat, the sweatshirt. They do denim jackets and jumpsuits with the sweatpants and all kinds of cool gear like that. So I'll provide a link down below about Claude Grosso Designs. Maybe you can go cop something there. And since I'm doing shameless plugs, I'd also like to just give a shout out to Dink for making this hat for me. I love it. I've been wearing it quite a bit, and I don't really wear hats any. So it's been nice on the days where, you know, I have to work or something and got bedhead and just need to throw it on. It's been awesome. Anyway, I had a lot of fun shooting this little episode. Hopefully it kicks off a nice new series, and as you can see, the footage was incredibly smooth. If you have any idea for what we might want to do in the next episode, or anything you'd like us to share or talk about given process, or even things going back to when we were getting into the street art and graffiti and spray paint stuff, I'm more than happy to talk about any of that stuff, so leave it down in the comments below. And if you are down with this new approach for the Voice One Arts channel, doing a vlog series and being more personal with you guys and rebuilding this community, hit that like button down below, make sure you're subscribed, and I should see you soon with hopefully maybe a time-lapse video.